Powerful, high-riding Mitsubishi Xpander Cross is an adaptation of the Xpander small MPV. It serves as the brand's popular AUV, the adventure's indirect successor. Being a more recent model, it features a car-like chassis, together with the brand's dynamic shield design language. With coil springs on every wheel, the new platform should improve the car's comfort.
The vehicle's increased ride height also increases utility by raising the ground clearance to 225 mm. The automobile has now gained local popularity in its lower-end MPV variant, gaining a sizable following and placing fifth among the most popular vehicles sold in 2019. A 1.5-liter gasoline engine with MIVEC technology, 4 cylinders, powers the elevated MPV. The Xpander Cross promises to deliver fuel efficiency and performance that are on par with other vehicles with similarly efficient engines. Both a 5-speed manual and a 4-speed automatic transmission are options for the power plant. The front wheels receive all of the power. The Xpander Cross, which was recently modified in 2023, differs from the standard Xpander in looks due to its elevated height, thicker bumpers, and black trim elements. In general, the Xpander Cross is the bigger, stronger brother of the Xpander.